John 15:5 says, I am the vine, you are the branches. Those who abide in me will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. Let that sink in. Sabi ni Jesus, apart from me, you cannot do anything. Dito nagme-make sense yung sinabi ng author ng Ecclesiastes. We know King Solomon was the wisest person during his time. But dahil nga dinusobey niya si Lord at nag-asawa siya ng napakaraming babae, na-involve siya sa iba't ibang gods. And that's the reason why nag-fall siya at napalayo siya kay Lord. It says there, everything is meaningless. But he concluded that at the end of the chapter. Anong sabi niya doon? Everything is meaningless without God. Kaya nagme-make sense yung sinabi ni Jesus Christ. Pagdating sa trabaho natin, pagdating sa mga relationships natin, or even sa mga plans natin sa future, we have to consider Jesus Christ. Kung wala siya sa picture, wala din mangyayari.